Oh, you, demon. This is your profile. You're crossing my profile. Did you see your friend here? Oh my God. This is your Faza? Fake Faza? They are all using the name of Faza. I'm sorry to the real friends.
Oh, di ano lang, 2 days lang ano, bago mag 1 year. Wow.
Ha, you make me laugh, devil.
March ano sa'yo? March 4? O, before. O, di, ay, malaki nga yung abot mo sa'yo.
So this is it. So now I understand. You are the member of this kind of devil, you know. You look at your face. You look at your face. When I see your face, I feel something inside your face, okay? You say you are the member of this group. Did you say? You are the member of this group collecting money from innocent people. Did you see? Did you see, mga kaibigan, wag na wag kayong paano nito, oh, tignan nyo. This is it, this is business. Did you see? They chose 10 winner, and after that they will ask you to pay something, this one. I don't know why the real friends, and did you see they are using the sisters also. So now what happened now in Dubai? The power of God is more powerful than money. One blank of the eyes. So now I know. You are the devil. Now you are cruising you are cruising my Facebook account. Did you see? You are using also the HH brothers. Oh my God. So you are the member. So from the beginning, I have feel you what you are. So now I know everything. So okay. So good luck to you. You together, this demon. Read this one. So now you are crossing on my profile. So you are the one lied. No Fasa in Facebook, okay? People using his name to scam people. So he suffered now. His country was suffered now because of this large of scam in the. Did you see what happened? Did you see? You look at. You look at your face. It's your fault. Why I posted you in my timeline? Because you're crossing my timeline. Okay? Did you see? Did you see your face? My God. So now tell me, I have recorded this one, but you have right also in my YouTube channel. Did you see your face? Did you see your face? So now I understand. Your friend, this is your friend, this is your father. This is fake. No address. Did you see? So now I understand. This also woman dadabay. Oh my God. So now I understand everything. Okay? I understand everything 100%. If I see your face, I feel so very, I want to, my God. So now I understand everything. I feel sorry to the Prince Hamdan Plaza in Dubai, the real friends, for what happened to your country now because of these people using your name. These people put you down. So I'm really very sorry to the real prince of Dubai because of these people using this your name page, collecting money to the innocent people all over social media.